Hi guys, welcome to Problem of the Day Super Mario Math Challenge Week. I hope you're having fun with this because I know I am. Today is May 14th, 2020. Let's get started. Our math norms. Listen to classmates and teachers. We appreciate mistakes because that's learning. We can learn from each other because we all do math at high levels. Math is about creativity and solving problems. Speed is not a math value, and math talk is necessary. All right, guys, I've got a good one for you today. It says, which one doesn't belong? So I'm going to make this a bit larger for you to see. So I'm looking here. So I've got Mario times Bowser is equal to Bowser times Mario. Or I've got Shy Guy plus Shy Guy equals Shy Guy times 2. Or Luigi minus Luigi equals the question box. Or, oh, my favorite, Yoshi divided by 1 equals 0 plus Yoshi. So here's the deal, guys. You are going to determine which one doesn't belong, and then you are going to discuss your thinking to Flipgrid. The most important thing is, why do you think this one doesn't belong? I'm going to tell you right now, there is no right and wrong answer. The only thing is you need to explain your reasoning. So I'm going to put this on a Flipgrid, and I want you to explain which one doesn't belong and why you think that. I hope you have a great day. Bye.